How to send snap from camera roll as normal snap. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can send snap from camera roll as a normal snap, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically the problem here is very simple. If you have someone that you want to send snap to and you don't want to mess with the snap score, and what happens over here is that whenever you try to, let's say, send them something from your camera roll, which means from your gallery from here, it gets sent as a chat like this. It does not get sent as a snap, but it gets sent as a chat. So what you can do is, first of all, let me just delete this. Now if I want to send this as a snap, right, I don't want to send it as a chat, but I want to send it as a snap. What I need to do is to simply tap on this little snap like icon from here, or this camera like icon, or you can just come back to the main page here. Now while you're trying to, do not select your camera roll. What I want you to do is simply go to this search option from the bottom right of the screen. In the search bar, just go ahead and then type in upload, right? Because there is a certain filter or that you can use. Just type in upload, you'll see video upload, upload picture, or upload video. What is it that you want to do? So I will select video image upload filter here. You can select any of the other upload features. This will basically show you a list of your photos from your gallery like this, and which you can now use to select a certain image. Then tap on it once. Now this has been as sent as a snap. Now if I tap on the send option, if I send it to that person and hit the arrow button, now basically what happens is that it gets sent as a snap. So let me show you. I'm going to come back to my chat page. I'm going to go to that person, and you can see that person has already opened it. It is going to be sent as a particular snap instead of a normal photo from the chat. So hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.